You pass a UserId where an OrderId belongs. TypeScript says nothing. Branded types fix that. A branded type uses TypeScript's intersection operator to attach a phantom property to a primitive. You write, type UserId equals string intersected with an object containing a brand property of literal type UserId. The double underscore brand is convention, never set in real code. Now UserId and OrderId have different structural shapes, so TypeScript treats them as incompatible types. Without branded types, TypeScript accepts any plain string where a UserId is expected, and you can accidentally pass an OrderId in its place. Add the brand and those assignments fail at compile time, not in production. The type system becomes your guardrail. Since branded types have no runtime representation, you create values via type assertion or a factory function. A factory function, like createUserId, wraps the cast, giving you one place to add validation. The cast is an explicit contract. You're vouching this string really is a UserId. The brand property is a compile time phantom. It never appears in the JavaScript output. 0 runtime cost. UserId and OrderId remain plain strings at runtime. TypeScript simply refuses to mix them up. That's the power of structural typing working in your favor. Branded types use intersection types to give IDs distinct compile time identities at 0 runtime cost. Try them on your next API. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.